Class 10, I am going to start chapter 14, partnership business. So what is partnership business? When two or more than two person or organization agree to work in same thing or agree to do same business, okay, then that type of business is known as a partnership business. Partner means more than one partner can do one work together, okay. Now question number 1, chapter 14, page number 202, page number 202, okay, please write page number 202, okay. Question is, I and my friend Mala together have started a business with capital of 15,000 and 25,000 respectively. If we make profit of rupees 16,800 in a year, let us see that a profit share shall we each get. I and my friend Mala together have started a business. I and my friend Mala together have started a business with capital of rupees 15,000 and 25,000. So you have to write first what is the capital of each. Okay. Capital of my rupees 15,000. Capital of Mala rupees 25,000. Then you have to find the ratio. How you will find ratio? You will write capital of your, then capital of Mala. Okay. Then you will cancel this one if it is possible. In this one it is possible. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 5 3 is a 15. 5 5 is a 25. 3 is to 5. Okay. Now you have to add this ratio. What you will do? Add this ratio. Sum of the ratio. What you will write? Sum of the ratio. Means you are adding the ratio. 3 plus 5 equals to 8. Okay. Now after that, what you will write? After adding or summating this one, you have to read the question again, because in the second line it is given, if we make a profit of rupees 16,800 in a year, what is the total profit? 16,800. And what is the ratio of my 3 and what is the ratio of my friend 5? Okay, sum of the ratio is 3 plus 5. Then what you will do? Total profit 16,800. My profit. How you will find my profit? Please concentrate here carefully. What you will write? What is your ratio? Your ratio is 3. You will write 3 divided by what is total sum of the ratio? Sum of the ratio is 8 into total profit. You will write to find your profit. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 ones are 8, 0 0, 3 0 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay, so your profit in this, my profit is rupees 6,100. Same you will find for Mala also. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 6,300. Okay, now Mala's profit, same. What is the ratio of Mala? 5. And what is sum of the ratio? 8. Then 16,800. 8 ones are 8, 2s are 1, 0 0, 5 0 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. And in answer you will write, I will get 6,300 and Mala will get 10,500. Again I am explaining this one. Partnership business. First, what is given? Capital of my 15,000, capital of Mala 25,000. Then what you will do? You will find the ratio of Mala, your and Mala. Ratio means you have to give ratio sign. Then cancel 0 0 0, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are, then you are getting 3 to 5. Sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio means whatever ratio will come, you have to add this one. 3 plus 5, 8. Okay. Total profit equals to how much profit? They are telling 16,800. Total profit is this one. Okay. So my profit. How you will find my profit? Your ratio 3 by sum of the ratio. Your ratio 3 by sum of the ratio is 8 into total profit. Okay, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 60, 8 ones are 8, 0 0. You are getting 6,300. Now Mala's profit is same. Mala's ratio, Mala's ratio is 5, then sum of the ratio is 8 into 16,800, you will get 10,500. Okay, copy this one. Now class 10, read question number 2. Priyam, Supriya and Bulu have opened a small shop of grocery shop with capitals of 15,000, 10,000, 25,000. So in this one, there are 3 partners, okay, and their capitals are 15,000, 10,000, 25,000. But after a year, there was a loss of rupees 3,000, and after 1 year, they are losing rupees 3,000. Let us write by calculating what each must pay to make up loss. Means how much each one will pay. Okay. So what you will do means how much loss they have to pay. Okay. Same you have done in the last one. Now what you will do? Capital of 3 friends. How much? 15,000. 10,000, 25,000. Then you have to find the ratio. Ratio equals to 15,000, 10,000, 25,000. Cancel 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 0, 0, 0. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Okay, it is coming 3:2:5. What I have done, I am first cancelling 3 zeros in each. If you have 3 partners, in each one you have to cancel. Don't think that 2 we will cancel and we will leave 1. No. If here 3 zeros are present, it means here also 3 zeros are present. Here also 3 zeros are present. If it is not present, we will not be able to cancel. Okay, now 5 table. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So ratio you are getting 3:2:5. Sum of the ratio. Sum is addition. 3 plus 2 plus 5 will give you 10. Now Supriya, Priya. First one is Priya. Okay. Priya. What is the total loss? First write total loss. Total loss is 3,000 rupees. In the question it is given 3,000. Yes. So one by one up to here complete. Then one by one we have to find. Okay. I am writing the first question. Priya. They are asking in the last phase that let us write by telling what each must pay to make up the loss. So Priyam will pay. What you will do? What is the ratio of Priyam? 3 by sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio 10 into what is the loss? 3,000. You will write 3,000. Okay. Then 0 0 cancel. 0 0 cancel. 3 into 300 will give you 3 3s are 9, 900. Okay. Then same thing you will do. For next is Supriya. Supriya will pay. Supriya ratio is 2 and sum of the ratio same. Sum of the ratio will remain same and loss also remain same. Now 0 0 cancel. 2 into 300 600. Same. Bulu will pay. Ratio was 5 3,000. 0 0 cancel. 15. 5 into 3 15. Okay. So 900, then 600, then 1,500. In statement you will write that each must pay rupees 900, then 600, then 1,500 to make up the loss. Okay, please write all the answer in a statement. Okay, otherwise so you will not get full marks. Okay, copy this one. Now class 10, question number 3. Shobha and Masood together bought a car for rupees 25,000 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 2,50,000 and sold it for rupees 2,62,500. If Shobha paid 1.5 times more than Masood, let us write by calculating their share of profit. Okay, so in the first line, Shobha and Masood together bought a car. They are buying a car at rupees 2,50,000. So what is the cost price of car? Cost price, question number 3. Cost price is 2,50,000 and sold it at rupees 2,02,500. Means what is selling price? Selling price is 2,62,500. If you know cost price and selling price, you can find a profit. In class 9 you have done profit equals to SP minus CP. So profit 2,62,500 minus 2,50,000. Okay. Now 0, 0, 5, 2, 6 minus 1. So 12,500 you are getting as a profit. Now what they are saying in the next line, if Shobha paid 1.5 times more than Masood. Okay, Shobha is paying more than Masood. How much more? 1.5 times more. Times. Okay, times. So we don't know how much Masood is paying. First of all, what we will write? Let Masood paid rupees X. If Masood is paying rupees X, Shobha paid how many times more? 1.5 times more than Masood. So Masood is paying right now. Masood is paying how much? X rupees. So 1.5 times more means times means we have to multiply. Okay, I am doing here. So 1 and 2 ones are 2 and plus 1 3/2 of Masood. Times means multiplication and Masood is paying X. Okay. So 3 into X, 3X by 2. Okay. Now what is total cost price? Total cost price is 2,50,000. Okay. 2,50,000. Copy up to here. Okay. Now cost price is 2,50,000. Okay. And so we will write cost price equals to 2,50,000 and it is paid by Masood as well as Shobha. So right now we are taking that Masood is paying X and Shobha is paying 3X by 2 equals to 2,50,000. Okay. Understood? That what we are doing, we are adding cost price X plus 3X by 2 and total cost price already given to find how each one is paying, how much each one is paying. Okay, how much each one is paying, that is why I am writing X for Masood and 3X by 2 for Shobha, because we are taking Masood as a X and Shobha as a 1.5 times more than Masood. Okay. Now what we will do, write 2X plus 3X equals to 2,50,000. Add this one, 5X by 2 equals to 2,50,000. X equals to 2,50,000. This 2 will come up and this 5 will come down. Now cancel. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. 4 zeros. So X equals to 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000. 10,000, 50,000 into 2 means 1 lakh. Okay, means X. Masood is paying how much? 1 lakh. Shobha will pay. So Masood paid X equals to 1 lakh. Now Shobha paid 3X by 2. In place of X, what we will do, we will put the value 1 lakh by 2. Now we will cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0 0 0, 1 more 0, 2 5s are 10, 4 zeros, 3 into 50,000. 3 5s are 50. 4 0. 1 10 100,000 10,000 lakh. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 3 5s are 15. 1 10 100,000 10,000 lakh. Okay. 1,50,000 Shobha is paying and Masood paid rupees 1 lakh. Okay, for car. Okay. Now after that, what you will do? You have to find the ratio. So which one will be the ratio? What they are paying? So 1 lakh. 1,50,000. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 5 2s are 10 5 3s are 15 2 is to 3. Okay. Now what they are asking to you, let us write by taking their share of profit. Masood profit. What is the ratio of Masood? 2. Okay, sum of the ratio you have to find. Sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio is how much? 2 plus 3 5. So sum Masood's profit 2 by sum of the ratio into what? Profit. What is the total profit? Total profit was 1,12,500. 12,500. Go to the first part. The above one, when we have started, we have done SP minus CP to find profit. Okay. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 5 are 25. 0 0. Then 2 0. 2 5 are 10. 2 twos are 4. 4 5. So 5,000. Okay. Shobha's profit 3 by 5 is ratio of Shobha by sum of the ratio. Then profit 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Same thing. 0 0 3 5s are 15. 3 twos are 6. 6 1 70. 7,505. Okay. Copy this one. Now class 10, read question number 6. 6 is easy. First, that is why I am doing. 3 friends have started a business by investing rupees 8,000, 10,000 and 12,000 respectively. So first we will find the ratio. So ratio among 8,000, 10,000 and 12,000. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Then 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. How much we are getting? 4 is to 5 is to 6. Okay. Now read second line. They also took an amount as bank loan. They have also took an amount, means they have taken some loan also. At the end of the year, they made a profit of rupees 13,400. So what is the total profit they are making? Total profit equals to 13,400. After paying the annual bank installment of rupees 5,000, they divided the remaining money of the profit among themselves in the ratio of their capital. So what they are saying, that after paying the annual installment, means they are paying installment also. So what after paying the remaining installment, the remaining money they are dividing among themselves. So first find remaining money. So what will be the remaining money? 13,000 is the total profit by installment money. Installment money is 5,000. Okay. So how much you will get? 8,400. Why I am subtracting? Because they are making total profit of 13,400, but they are paying also 5,000 as a loan. 2 4 5 20 20 or and 2 22. So first profit of first friend equals to 2240. Like this you will find for each friend, second friend, third friend. Profit of second friend equals to, what is the ratio? 5. Sum of the ratio 15. Profit, remaining profit means remaining money. When you will cancel, you will get same thing. 560 560 500 5 30 3 5 5 25 25 28. Okay, 22,800. Now profit of third friend, 6 by 15 8400. Okay, same when you will cancel, get 5600 only, 560 only. So 600, 6 is the 36, 6 3, 6 5 is the 30. 3,360. 3,360. So what you will write? Each friend will profit this, and this one. Okay, complete this one. Now class 10, read question number 7. Question is, 3 friends took loans of rupees 6,000, 8,000, 5,000 respectively from a cooperative bank on the condition that they would not have to pay interest if they would repay their loan within 2 years. They invested the money to purchase 4 cycle rickshaws. After 2 years, they made a profit of 30,400 excluding all the expenses. They divide the profit among themselves in the ratio of their capital and repaid back their individual loan amount to the bank. Let us calculate the amount of 3 individual shares and the ratio of the share. This question is very big, but it is very easy. First, they are taking loan. Okay, loan of 6,000, 8,000, 5,000. So what you will do? First, we will find the ratio of the loan. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. You are getting 6:8:5. Okay. Now sum of the ratio, 6 plus 8 plus 5 equals to 19. Sum of the ratio. When profit, how much profit they are making? 30,400. When profit equals to 30,400, first friend will get 6 by 19. 6 is the ratio, 19 is total into 30,400. In 19th table, when you will cut, you will get 9600. When you will cut, you will get this one. Okay, first please cut it by your own. Okay, you know how to cut, please cut it and find the answer. 9,600 you will get. Second friend will get 8 by 9. 8 is the ratio, 19 is sum of this, into 30,400 you will get this. Third friend will get 5 by 90 into 30,400. When you will cancel, you will get answer. Okay, now share after given loan. Each one will individually pay their loan. Okay, so first friend have taken how much loan? 6,000. Total he or she is getting how much? 9,600. Okay, but he or she has to pay rupees 6,000. Okay, so after share after giving loan means after giving the loan, first friend will get how much? 9,600 minus 6,000, you will get 3,600. Second friend 12,800 minus 8,000, 4,800. Third friend 8,000. 8,000 there, he is getting this much and he has to pay 5,000. So 8,000 minus 5,000 equals to 3,000. After that, they are asking find the ratio of their shares. Now what is the share? After giving the loan, the share is, first friend share is 3,600, second friend share is 4,800, third friend share is 3,000. Now cancel 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, 10s are 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12. Means 6 is to 8 is to 5. Okay, solve this one. Class 10. If you have any queries, Please mail me niloofar.sma@outlook.com. Homework is question number 4, 5, 16 A only. Okay, and by tomorrow you have to submit your homework in this email. Okay, and by tomorrow whatever doubt you have you can ask me. Thank you.